Am I filming? Okay. Hi everybody, it's Mandy again. Today we have a special unboxing. I got 2 different subscriptions for houseplants. One for succulent and one for other houseplants. I'm joined today by Jack. Okay. Alright, we'll start with the Succulent Studios. It came in a box like this. When I first got it, I set it down like this, and it says, "Help me, I'm upside down, please turn me over." And then I felt bad, so let's open it up and I'll show you. I need to cut the... Oh! I always do that. Okay, you open it up, and here's what's inside. I don't remember how much this box is a month, but you get 2 adorable little baby succulents. Oh no, is that a piece of one up here? Yep. Tucked away neatly. You also get 2 cards about each of the species and a care guide. So I got moonstones and I got string of pearls. So let's open those up.
So those are the things that they come with? Yep. They don't come with anything?
They come in little boxes. So it says pull forward. Pull that out.
Aww.
Oh, they're so cute. It comes in a little biodegradable plant or pot. And oh look, it's got elastic around there holding it in. These were shipped from California, but they were shipped very nicely, so they made it all the way to us. And then you take off that.
Aww.
Isn't it adorable? And then this one looks like it would be a trailing plant. Like it would trail over the edge of the pot. They're pretty dry.
Did you break it?
No, I did not break it.
I think something of it broke it.
I think it's okay. It made it through pretty good. Kind of a neat thing that I knew I was getting this. So I went on Wish and I bought a pot to plant these in. I'll put a picture of it here. It's multi-layered pot, and there's a little house built into it, and these will be really cute on there with the one that trails going over the edge. I think that'll be neat. Of course, it'll take 3 months to get here. Now this one is a house plant. I think this was a $12 plus shipping one, and every month you get a different plant. It says from our house to yours. And I got a little card about my plant. This is Dracania, and it looks like the variety is Janet Craig, and I already decided that I'm going to name this plant Janet. This is from South Africa, and it prefers indirect sunlight. So it comes like this, and pull it out. I don't know what that little paper is. That's just the receipt. Now, my only problem with getting houseplants, and this is why I don't have very many, is the cats. They like to knock them over and kill them.
They also like to nibble on them.
Yes. So the good thing about this company, the houseplant, is called the Houseplant Shop, is that they actually have a pet-friendly subscription. So if you have pets, they will give you ones that won't hurt your pets. I probably should have gotten that one, huh?
Well, that one hurts.
Wow, this is a good sized plant. It comes in like a 4-inch pot. This one also has some rubber bands on it. And
maybe we should put the plants in places where the cats can't.
Yeah, I think that's probably a good idea. Or I can research to make sure that this Dracania doesn't hurt them. So it comes. That's a good sized plant. I wasn't expecting it quite that well sized. So you can keep it in this pot for a little bit, and then you can transfer it into something prettier. Jack was just saying the other day that we needed more houseplants. Do you remember why you told me I needed houseplants?
So we get more oxygen and it smells better in
That's
here.
right. Does it smell bad in here? Anyway, we need more oxygen. So I thought that was smart and cute. So anyway, here are our plants. I'm excited to get these planted and to make our house a greener, more oxygenated place. Thank you for joining me today, guys. Bye.
We still need more houseplants.
We need more. Maybe next month we'll get more. Bye.